Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing Bella Hadid's makeup look. A couple of weeks ago, I did Judy Hadid's makeup look, and today's turn for Bella. I was searching for a lot of different makeup inspiration, let's say photos, but unfortunately, Bella doesn't have a lot of makeup looks that would not even stand out, but look different. So most of the time, it's really classy, soft, minimal makeup look, but I really like it as well because I think it's important sometimes to keep it minimum and still have something really interesting on your face. In case you're interested how to get this really pretty makeup look done, please stay tuned and let's get started. So we're going to get started with moisturizing my face. It's going to be pretty much basic routine that I do every single time. I'm going to start with my Aqua Peeling AHA toner on top with the sun cream, a little bit of my MAC Prep and Prime, and of course I did not forget about my Nivea lotion. This is aftershave lotion. So basically, we're layering all this product on top of my face and then go into my foundation. Okay, all these products are on my face right now and I'm moving to my foundation. For this makeup look, it's super good to use tinted hydrators, and this is going to be with a lot of different other products, cream products on top. So I want to show you the product that I'm about to use today. This is going to be tinted hydrator from Wet n Wild. I am obsessed with this makeup product and I got complimented on this product from one of my friends. And it does give a little bit of oranginess, so you can add additional correctors. And to neutralize orange color, you can always use a little bit of purple, just a couple of dots. I don't want to mix in a lot of the cream product, because it might ruin a little bit of the formula of my tinted hydrator, and a little bit of green because I have olive undertone, and unfortunately this hydrator is not for olive undertones. This hydrator is not going to give you full coverage, but it's going to cover a lot and give you some healthy glow on top. Now with a little bit different concealers, I have two options. One is super affordable. This is Essence concealer, but it's more like, it's not brightening concealer, it's really close to my natural skin tone, and this is Sephora Best Skin Ever Color 5. I will go with my Sephora concealer today. I'm going to grab a little bit. It's given a lot of coverage, so I'm not going to apply too much of this concealer. And we're going to tone down a little bit this oranginess that we still might have. I want to make sure that I have beautiful cream contour. I'll go with this brush, grab a little bit on, and place it really high to the cheekbones, because Bella Hadid has oval shape and I have more like round shape of the face. To lift my face even more, we're going to place it really high to the temples, basically bringing this product as high as possible. I'll add a little bit more, a little bit higher, like that. We're lifting this up even more. Finally, I have L.A.Girl Pro Concealer. This is really good for the under eye area. It's not creasing severely throughout the day, so I love the formula. It's liquid, but it's not extremely liquid, and it doesn't really get into your fine lines. I will set everything with a powder. This is pressed in powder. You can use translucent powder like slightly on top, and add in a little bit of this powder in the area of my T-zone, then especially my nose area, because this is going to crease really fast, and a little bit over my chin, probably this side as well. And with a little bit different brush and the same powder, I will add a little bit underneath my eyes. Bella has only a contour on top, not even contour, but bronzer. She has a lot of bronzer on top. I have my contour, and I do this every single time. This is contour. You can see that there's a little bit grayish color, and with a little bit different brush, this is my angle brush, I'm gonna grab a little bit and add on top of the previous shade. This way, I want to make sure that we will kind of define this line. And Bella has a little bit of bronzer over forehead, and I'm going to do the same. Use any bronzer. This is Wet n Wild, super old. Using some leftovers. I'm going to tap it on the back of the hand first, and then just stamp this part of my forehead. Buffing this around my forehead because I don't want this look off this whole makeup look. We're kind of marrying these products together and blending them together. This is angle brush. I'm going with the same sculptor, and I'm gonna place this product over my nose, really close to the nose bridge. This way, I'm gonna ensure that I have structured nose and it's really thin. And over my nose tip, I'm using a little bit more bronzer. I want to make sure that it's really, really soft. It's a little bit white on the side, going with a little bit more powder. Now let's do blush. She is heavy on the blush, especially in this photo. I'm going to be using some leftovers from MUA Makeup Academy. This is shredded blush, so I can't show you the real product. And with an angle brush, this is the favorite technique, and especially with Bella Hadid's makeup look, it's really important to use angle brushes. I'm going to tap it off, place it on top. And I'll do my highlighter. This is, again, Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighter. We're still going to be using a lot of other highlighters on top, but for now, we're adding a little bit of this healthiness, this healthy glow on top of my chin, this specific area, and on top of my cheekbones. And I have my Catrice Ultra Last Fixing Spray. Can't say this is the best product to use, but something that I own for now. So shake this product first and use the spritzer from afar, or it's going to be like really dripping from your face like a blotch of water. I'm using my beauty blender and gently tapping powdery products into my foundation. While my foundation is a little bit wet, I'm going with my Makeup Revolution palette. This is Contour palette, and using this color, and I'm bringing this a little bit higher, and then with a little bit different highlighter. This is the same cream palette. I will bring this on top with the same highlighter I used while my creams are still a little bit wet. I'm going on top again. This way we have beautiful, healthy glow. I'm gonna do my brows. Well, it's pretty much simple. I don't really know if I need to show you guys. I'm not gonna be doing the same routine as Bella has because, first of all, I have no brows. That's why I'm gonna outline the shape first. Fill in. This is Guerlain Brow Mascara. Finally, my NYX brow pencil. I'll do the same brow routine for my left side, and I'll be back to show you the super simple eye makeup look. We're going with my NYX eye primer for both of my eyes. I want to set it with the same bronzer I used. Let's go with my Morphe M433 blending brush to top it off and slightly set my lid. At first, we're going to start with my black eye pencil. I want to create a shape. She has this beautiful line from the outer corner where the eye ends, but it's going not further, but it's like inner part of the lid. We're going up to the crease. I will go back. Let's go a little bit lower. Like that. I guess for this part, lash line, I'm gonna go with my eyeliner. This is Makeup Forever. I'm using a little bit different wand. Super close to my lash line. Let's go up. I have these beautiful eyeshadows. Those are L'Oreal eyeshadows. Shimmers. I know she has matte, but you know, you can play around and add a little bit of sparkle. And finally, I will add a little bit more shimmers on top with Guerlain. It has a little different side. And let's add highlighter on top. Highlighter with a little bit more highlighter. The same we used for the rest of the face. We'll set it. And guys, last but not least from this makeup look, I'm going to be doing my lips. I have this really pretty lip cream, long-lasting. This is shade Delicate Rose. I need a lip contour. Let's do maybe something brown. That's pretty much it for today's Bella Hadid's makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's really simple makeup routine. It's looking glossy, pretty, glass skin type makeup look. I love the foundation. It's looking really pretty. And the look, makeup look especially, is really simple to recreate, guys. Give it a try. I promise. It's simple, but it's really pretty. See you in the next video, hopefully. Love you all. Bye-bye.